Whoa, whoa, whoa! How much damage those solar panels caused to this roof? No problem. Three brothers, a roofing the solution. Here we going with this project. Buenas, buenas, and welcome to Three Brothers a Roofing. On today's project, it's about um, residential shingles roof leak repair under solar panel. Okay, so right here we are up to the roof and we have all the solar panels. Okay, so the beginning of our project. So the beginning will be removing those solar panels. All right, so we have to figure that out where we're gonna put those panels, if we're gonna put somewhere on the side or we're gonna bring down. Okay, so we have our first panel removed. So our system is we will mark every panel, and then in the meantime we mark on the on this end too. So when the time comes to reinstall, we will use the same technique. And from all those time we've been working with solar panels, we never had any problem after we reinstall back. Usually every time work perfectly, but Three Brothers Roofing will not responsible for, let's say, instant if it's not gonna work or any technician issue, so we're not responsible. But usually we just connect the same way as we remove those wires. We mark one panel and we just mark the wire, and usually it works perfect with no problem. Okay, so at this point we are unplugging the wire from that system, and our system is very simple. We will mark the connection. So basically this one will be the number 3, and we will mark on the panel number 3. So when time to reinstall, we will use the same technique. And Three Brothers Roofing, with all those years working with solar panel, we never had any problem with reinstallation, or let's say the system not working. So no problem. Usually our system will work, but as I mentioned, we're not responsible. Let's say if, for instance, it will not work or whatever, so we're not responsible. So the homeowner has to contact the company, so the solar company will fix the problem. Okay, so but based off our experience, we never had any problem. Every single project we did on the past worked with no question. All right, but we don't like take any responsibility. All right, so now the roof is exposed. Now time to clean, and we will have to identify where exactly the work getting in. Here we're going with another panel. All right, Three Brothers Roofing usually provide labor guarantee on every solar panel roof leak repair solution. Okay, so now we are on the beginning with our inspection. Now we are trying to identify where the work is getting in, but as we can see on this section, the solar company people, they damage the shingle. All right, so this is how the shingle left by the solar company. This shingle is really damaged. Yeah. So that, but is, let's see. Yeah, because let's say any word can get in this area and hit the nail. Okay, but it's not is no like really big evidence like the water is getting in this section. So we are ongoing with our inspection into 100% we will find the leak with no question. And we are working and trying to find where exactly the water is getting in with no question. We will find it, fix it, and guarantee no more problem, 100%. Okay, and we are ongoing with our project, and now we just find it under this bracket. Right here it's wet. All right, so that means under this bracket the flashing was in really bad condition. No problem. That's why I was mentioned on the beginning of the video. We will find the problem and fix the problem, guarantee, no question. And in the meantime, we find this is another bracket, but as we see, those people when they install the screw of that support, they I don't know, they like crack the wood, or I don't know what they did it, but definitely we see right here this is like a lower point with the water. It's accumulated and in this go in on this specific section, and we have another section there. So in this section we can see it's all wet. All right, so that's what I say, we have experience, and we fix those problems with no question, guarantee, 100%. After 3 brothers are roofing, homeowner will not experiment no more leaking, 100%, guarantee. And we are on continue with our project, and of course we find those problems already. So basically we have on those brackets one problem there, and we have another one on this section, no problem. So we just removed the screw, and as I mentioned, this one is the biggest problem. We can see right here it's in really bad condition. Oh yeah. Okay, as I mentioned, this bracket was the main problem, and this section is the worst. That's under the solar panel. But the only problem, let's say, for us to find the problem, we had to remove those solar panel, and that's exactly what we did it. Okay, so we find the problem. 3 brothers are roofing provide solution for commercial or residential. If anyone in need of a solar panel roof leak, not a problem. 3 brothers are roofing provide experience and guarantee. All right, so we proving right here. And on the past we done any video, but a couple months ago I was start recording videos, and that's why now if anyone watching this video, because 3 brothers are roofing decide to start doing a video, and that's exactly what we're doing. So every project we do, we take a video, and of course it will take a little bit time for me to upload it on the YouTube, and usually we upload on the TikTok and Facebook. So follow us, subscribe to our channel, and yeah, give us a call if you need it. We have big problems on this section. All right, so It looks really, really, really bad. Yeah, too bad. But for us, we never see a problem. We only see solution. 100%. How it looks. Okay, really wet. A project to right here is really, really bad. Yeah, so the wood right here is bad. No problem. Yeah. So on this area, yeah, the plywood is bad due to the leakage that was happening. All right. So yeah, not a problem. So we are ongoing with our project, but definitely we have a lot of problem right here, and most of the problem is right on under those brackets. Okay, so that's how it looks. It's really bad. But Three Brothers Roofing provides solution for everyone. Every single call what we get, we give a free estimation and we offer solution. Okay, and now we are ready for replacing the bad wood what we find. After all, I mean, the wood is not in really bad condition. Is only on this specific area, not a problem. So here we going with this project. Okay, so now we are removing our damaged wood. All right, so it looks that way. So right here, I just shown before, but the video was end, so that's okay. Big problem. Okay. Yeah, that's a lot of water. A lot of water getting in this point. Yep. So, but Three Brothers Roofing not responsible for any insulation or drywall. So we are specialized on the roof only, shingles or whatever related to the roof. We are responsible 100%, no question. But when it comes to insulation or drywall, so the owner will have to take care of that. Okay, so we have our new plywood ready here. Most of the plywood is good. It's on this area, the worst section. All right, so that's the condition of insulation. Okay, and I think on this project with I think I start see is growing some mold on this area, so I think it's not good. Yeah, that's mold 100%. All right, but that is not our responsibility. I have to let know the owner they have mold. Okay, so but from now we just put the insulation back on place. We try to smooth it up and try to fix it. All right, that's much we can do it. Yeah. Okay, so now we are installing our new wood. Okay, so our new plywood is installed. Good to go. Looks nice and clean. Okay, so that's how looks our project from a different angle. Okay, so after all the repair what we did it, remove the old shingle, remove the solar panel, replace some wood, and now is the time where we start or the beginning of the installation of the new ice shield. So we are installing new ice shield under those solar panel. And in the meantime, we are ongoing with the reinstallation of those brackets. So right here, we are install the support of those solar panel. All right, and we are using a GIF Timberline HDC shingle. right, done. And it will guarantee no more leaking, 100%. Oh, okay, so that's how it looks from different angles. We are ongoing with ice shield, and in the meantime we are ongoing with the shingle installation. Okay, and we are ongoing with our project, and we are using GIF Timberline HDC shingle in charcoal, and the color between the old and the new one, it looks really good. All right, so here we go with our project. Okay, and we are ongoing with our project. So all the shingle has been installed, and of course our brackets installed and secured. All right, so now time to reinstall the solar panels. That's how it looks. Okay, and our shingle looks nice and the color match, and the most important thing, no more leaking, 100% guarantee. Okay, and we are ongoing with the resealing. Of course, as usual, we add some caulking between those old shingles and the new ones. And okay, so and we are ongoing with those panel connection. So right here we just put back in place, clipped it, done. And we just put the numbers. So let's say when we remove it, we mark it, this is the 12, and that's matched with the wire. Easy and clean, guarantee no more leaking. Three Brothers are Roofing, the solution. Okay, and we are ongoing with our solar panel reinstallation. So everything looks perfect. Here is our technician implementing the supports, those brackets. All right, but everything looks nice and clean. Three Brothers are Roofing, the solution. Okay, so we are ready to install the last panel. So everything came perfect. All right, so everything looks good and ready for the last one. So we put number right here, so it's the number 1, and this should match to the wire. Okay, so our final project, roof leak repair under the solar panel. So we remove the solar panel, remove the shingle, replace the bad wood, install new ice shield, new shingle, and reinstall the brackets for supporting the solar panel, and then we reinstall the solar panel. Now we just cleaning, removing all the leaves using the blower, and another project completed by Three Brothers Roofing Company, the solution for any roof leak repair. Follow us. Okay, that's it for today. See you guys next time. Chop chop.